In this video, I'm going to show you how you can loop a video on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you have found a favourite song or anything like that and you want to go ahead and put it on repeat and have that loop over and over again, what you can do is first of all head over to your YouTube app, and what you need to do now is find the video that you want to go ahead and loop. So for example, I will head over to my channel and then I will click on this little video here, and what I need to do is I need to add this over to a playlist. So if I click on the three dots, I can go ahead now and select save to playlist, and then I can go ahead and put it in this one here and then click on done. And then what I need to do now is head over to my playlist, and if I click on the tutorial one that I have just updated here, what I can do is click on that, and then what I need to do now is just simply click on the video to start it. Once I click on the video, as you can see there is a couple of symbols just right above it, and you will need to click on the little box one here, and then once you click that on, what that will do is it will automatically loop the video once the video finishes. So that's how you can go ahead and loop a video on YouTube.